Yeah. What are you making?
I'm making a cornbread.
You're gonna make the muffin.
Cupcakes.
Ooh,
Cupcake
cupcake
cups.
muffin. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera here. That way, like,
No, don't put water. Take out the water out.
okay, it's the water out. Well, I put the ribs in, okay?
Okay.
Can you tell us what you're doing? Careful, just go like that. Makes it really good.
We never mixed it with this before.
Yeah, you just gotta whisk it. Whisk it.
This
Keep
is
mixing
the
it.
best. I'll mix it.
And can you talk about it a little bit to see what you're doing?
I'm making the cornbread with ribs. Right there in the humongous ribs. Hold on.
Pues te lo enseñamos, okay? You keep mixing it.
Okay, Mommy.
Keep mixing it, mister.
Oh,
You gotta
so
keep mixing it, yeah. Keep mixing. So you're gonna put them in there también?
yeah. Wait, you're gonna pour it in here?
Yeah, I'm gonna
You're
put
gonna
the,
put cups inside the cornbread?
put the big slab of ribs into the
Oh,
medium.
it's gonna get more gooder. What is it gonna taste? We never made it like this before with this. Can we make it with a cake for other family worship?
Yeah, but first we're gonna make cornbread today, like the cornbread muffin. Alright, so we're gonna put the ribs over here. Oh, these look good.
Looks good.
It's a big slab of ribs.
It smells good like chicken.
Uh-huh.
Why you putting your meat so it doesn't stick on the
Can I have the Norway stuff?
Like this?
Thank you.
Look, Chili's! Look at me!
We're making a YouTube video on making dinner today.
See? It looking good.
He's making cornbread.
What cups in it?
That's Chemmy's.
How big of your was?
Because he's with the, ¿cómo se llaman esos beats?
Headphones.
Headphones, crazy headphones. They're super, like, fake and they look crazy on it. Okay, it's okay. I got it.
I'll get it.
Okay, thank you. Ooh. Okay, it's okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Keep mixing, please, so we can start pouring the cupcake mix. Okay, I'm gonna close this off. The ribs are like gonna be in here. It's a big slab of ribs.
Can you just cover me?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you're so cute, babe. Okay, let's mix that. You want to mix it while you put this in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're going to put this while I mix?
No, you put it and I'll mix
Oh, okay.
it.
You got to mix it like this.
Like that, okay.
Thicker, like, because look, tienes mucho aquí.
This?
Okay, mix it.
Okay. Like this? We should make brownies.
I know, but I have to get the brownie stuff.
No, never near. Like next week.
Okay, we should do that. And do you want to also put in the video so you can show us how to make brownies?
Yeah. There's gonna be a lot.
Yeah, I know how you cook and how you bake. Remember when you made albondigas?
Yeah.
Meatballs?
Do you have meat to put on the spaghetti?
Yeah, maybe tomorrow we can make spaghetti or something.
Yeah, you still have meat?
Or mastachoni.
Ooh. No,
Okay.
because
Ready
you're
to
gonna
start?
waste the meatballs.
So, yeah. We can
looking good.
Okay, I think it's ready. I'm gonna start pouring, okay?
Okay, I'll look at you how you.
Okay. Tell me.
It's like a factory here.
Mm-hmm. Can you fix that for me, please? The cupcake thing? No, the cupcake thing.
We're all trying to sell the same product. So sales help. You need to sell yourself. You need to share. You need to educate. You need to open people's eyes as to why these
Can I do it?
different.
Okay,
and as
so
to what this
right there.
opportunity can do.
Bring me the other one. Córrele. That one?
Let's see.
Okay.
What do I cancel? Can we talk about legions on bread? I've had a lot of those in this week. Okay. The thing is that when we go into this with expectations and assumptions, you're already like negatively affecting yourself. So by you writing to someone, you're already expecting them to write back to you, right? And when they don't, and they give you unread, they ignore you, your feelings get hurt, and you get down, and you think this is not for me. We need to let go of expectations and assumptions deciding we sign up with this. What I mean by that?
You should get the pink one. You not this cup?
Yeah, we could make more. Maybe. Alright. 12.
Can I put it in the oven?
Yeah, you're gonna help me because it's really hot, okay? We're gonna be very careful. Okay. So I want you to
Slowly just.
here, you can put this on. Here you go. This one. Oven mitt on. So you're gonna open it. Oh, I'll put this one on because you're gonna open it for me. Yeah, because you're just gonna open it for me because I don't want you to put your hand in there, okay? Can you open the oven for me, please? Slowly. Right, stand back. Don't push, don't push. Okay, give me the other one. Hold it.
Can I put it in there?
Thank you.
Why is it so cookie? No, because it's on.
Thank you. All right, now we're gonna clean up. Say bye. Thank you for cooking with us.
No, can I still make the video? Can I see it every time he does
Okay,
it?